are proud to present to you a young man who will represent the preschool completers in their dreams of becoming agents of change. To give his moving up address, let's welcome Cian Essen Uno H. Samentar.
Honored guests, beloved parents, school principal, officers, administrators, dear teachers, fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Today is a very special day, not only because we have completed a very unique school year through virtual classes, also remain safe and healthy amidst the COVID-19 global pandemic. Thank you to our school officers and administrators who quickly rose in the challenge of educating us through online learning to address concerns on health and safety. To our ever hardworking and dedicated teachers, Teacher Josie and Teacher Baby. Thank you for being our second parents. You did not only teach us lessons, but also pour us with your love and care. We will surely miss you both. To our beloved parents and guardians, because of your unconditional love and support, and the ability to balance being a teacher and parent at home, we are a proud completers today. A million thanks to you. We love you so much. Shout out to my dad for being the best dad in the world. And to my Lola, who is my #1 believer, I love you both. Lastly, to my fellow kinder contentment completers, congratulations! While we still have a long way to go and don't know what the future holds for us, with the guidance of God, with the SBCA looking after our welfare, with the love and support of our parents, and the knowledge we have acquired, I am confident that we are ready to face tomorrow. After all, we have been molded to become a skilled communicator, values-oriented citizen, lifelong learner, and a servant leader. Elementary years here.